Hello, we're Expedite. We're commercial property specialists, and we'd like to tell you what we do and how we can make a fundamental difference to your office relocation. Meet Claire. Claire ran the operations for a busy and fast-growing recruitment business. She'd been given the task to find new offices for her company, which had grown so quickly that it was the second time they'd had to move in 3 years. The previous time she did this, she sent out her requirement to a number of commercial agents. Naturally, the agent showed her properties that they were marketing on behalf of their landlords, but none of these seemed to fit the bill. So she had to find more agents and look at dozens of properties, hoping that eventually she would find the right space. It took months, and by the time Claire had found something that ticked most of the boxes, she was running out of time, as the lease was expiring at their current premises, and she now had to organise the fit-out and the relocation. It was stressful, a number of compromises had been made, and so she was determined next time to do things differently. This time, she employed Expedite to undertake the search for her. They were independent, did not have relationships with landlords, and worked exclusively on her behalf. They knew the market inside out and networked with all of the agents, which meant that they had access to every office that was currently available, as well as some that were not yet on the market. Having listened carefully to Claire's requirements, they viewed the potential properties first and then only showed her offices that properly met the brief. This saved Claire a huge amount of time that she used to focus on her day job of running the busy office, which funnily enough had not gone away. It took a fraction of the previous time to find the perfect office, and Expedite negotiated the very best deal possible with the landlord, including rent-free periods and a contribution towards the fit-out. Claire was impressed. But it didn't end there. Expedite had already produced a space plan and a draft budget to prove that the new offices would work practically for Claire's business and that the overall cost was affordable prior to signing up to a long-term commitment. The plans were then given to the solicitors to be included in the lease, as permission was required from the landlord to build offices, meeting rooms, a staff kitchen, comms room, and to make changes to the air conditioning systems. They also produced 3D designs and detailed specifications for the fit-out, prior to obtaining costs from contractors to undertake the works. They then managed the fit-out, as well as planning and organising the physical relocation, and they resolved the dilapidations at the old office. Wow! Claire was now very impressed. Not only has she saved a whole lot of her time and saved her company a serious amount of money on the lease, she'd also stayed in control of the project with one organisation helping her through the whole process. It was a completely different experience to her first relocation. She hadn't been stressed, good business decisions had been made because there'd been time to make them, and her boss was delighted that the move had been so successful and cost-effective. So, if you're looking for new offices, want to save valuable time, and need someone to help you make good business decisions, then call us on 020 7620 0456 or drop us a line at hello@expeditesearch.co.uk.